Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky, and sometimes we just need a little bit of help, and this can turn around a troubled garden. So let's keep those gardens on track. Today our question comes from Mary in Denver, Colorado, which is in Zone 5. And the question is, what is the best strawberry variety to grow? So there's three types of strawberry plants. There's ever-bearing, day-neutral, and June-bearing. So the June-bearing strawberries, they will put on fruit in the late spring or early summer. They will ripen all their berries within a 4-week window, and then they're done for the year. So June-bearing strawberries, they will not fruit the first season that you plant them, and they will start producing strawberries the second year. I have grown the June-bearing plants, and I find them to be very frustrating because I just don't get enough strawberries. So ever-bearing strawberry plants, they will make a big crop in the spring, a light crop in the summer, and then maybe a light crop in the fall. Now the day-neutral strawberries, they will set fruit continuously as long as the plants are not dormant. So they will set fruit the first year, and I really like these because I can transplant them in the spring and still get a crop. So in our greenhouses, we grow day-neutral strawberries and have fruit from March until November. And I'm really a bit spoiled with my strawberries because I just love them. So then the plants, they'll go dormant because the greenhouses are cold for December, January, and February. Here's a strawberry pot that we just planted 4 weeks ago. And as you can see, it already has fruit on it. And if this was a June-bearing plant, we would have to wait for a whole nother year. So for our production, we only use day-neutral varieties. So there's 3 reasons for this. 1, I want to get strawberries this year and not wait a whole year. Number 2, I can treat them more like annuals. I can transplant them and still get fruit within 8 weeks. And number 3, I like to eat fresh strawberries the spring, summer, and fall. So I love strawberries. I want strawberries. Okay. So strawberry plants, they are perennial in most locations in the world. And this means that they will live through the winter if they do not get too dry. I confess, I have killed more strawberry plants because they got too dry, not because it was too cold. So there are several varieties of day-neutral strawberries. I find the flavor will vary with the different types. And I grow a variety called Seascape, and I've grown this variety for over 14 years, and I've gotten to know its habits, what it likes, and how it performs. I also know what color the berry needs to be to have the highest flavor. Seascape has to be almost burgundy before you harvest it, just to get that super intense flavor. And because I've worked with this one plant for so many years, I can really get it to produce well for me. But before I settled on this one, I grew about 8 other varieties, and Seascape had the best flavor and performance. So I recommend the day-neutral strawberry varieties as the very best ones to grow, and Seascape is at the top of that list. So if you want to learn more about our super productive, easy strawberry growing system, then check out our high-performance strawberry eCourse. So you can find more information at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-strawberry-course. If you have a gardening question that you would like answered, please click on the link below the video and submit your question. If you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening, then sign up for the High Performance Gardening Show. In the show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do in the vegetable garden week after week, all season long for 33 weeks. We'll even show you a professional trellising system that you can use for your tomatoes. So this show is free, and it's online, and you can watch it anytime. So go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-gardens-show to sign up, or click on the link below. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information, and submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. Until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.